Stop video.
ETI eloquence titias. ETI eloquence titias बताओ. ETI eloquence শব্দ. ইয়াংগুলির সাথে পারফেক্ট. তারপর লেটাস্ট অ্যাংগুলি লেটাস্ট ভাষণ সবগুলো ভাষণের সাথে সম্পর্ক করা. যতগুলো অ্যাংগুলি আছে সেইগুলো আছে এগুলো লিঙ্ক প্রোভাইড থাকবে ডিসক্রিপশন বক্সে. সফটওয়্যার লিঙ্ক করবে ডিসক্রিপশন সফটওয়্যার লিঙ্ক সবসময় থাকবে.
Arrow keyboard. Alt plus F4. Alt plus F4. Alt plus F4. Alt plus F4. Alt plus F4.
This PC is চলবে this PC.
Desktop list. This PC group 17. Number enter. This PC window. Items view list. Folder group down arrow. Items view list. Folder group expanded. Downloads 02409.
এটা করে দেবো ডাউনলোডে.
Number enter. Downloads. Items view list. Yesterday group expanded. Up arrow. Yesterday 9. Expand up arrow. Yesterday group expanded. Up arrow. Down arrow. RH voice 1 point. Up arrow. Yesterday. Up arrow. Up arrow. Up arrow. Up arrow. Down arrow. RH voice 1.16. Down arrow. Down arrow. Read the message 3 1. Up arrow. Up arrow. Up arrow. Yesterday 9. Up arrow. Down arrow. RH voice 1.16. Down arrow. 2025.201. Down arrow. Read the message 3 198. Down arrow. Ops Neo Lead 0.141. Down arrow. Contacts manager 2020. Down arrow. Currency and Word 2.0 box 601. Down arrow. Ops Neo 1.117. Down arrow. Auto shutdown 198. Down arrow. ETI elements 19198.
ETI eloquence সেখানে এটা করে দেওয়া হবে এটা.
Number enter. Add installation time bar. Usually want to install this add-on. Only install add-ons from trusted sources. Add the arrow. About add-on. Alt plus. Right arrow. Yes, alt plus Y. Left arrow. About add-on. Alt plus.
Yes এটা করে দেবো. Yes.
No, add information time on eloquence synthesizer. Eloquence version 0.2025040.0.1 description. This is the eloquence synthesizer for NVDA offer. NVDA user language. https://bit.com/number42 equals required NVDA version 0.0 as NVDA version tested 2034.1. Okay.
And এটা করে দেবো. Yes এটা করে দাও.
Add installation time bar. Usually want to install this add-on. Only install add-ons from trusted sources. Add eloquence synthesizer 0.2025040.0.1 about add-on. Alt plus.
এখানে এটা করে দাও. এটা.
Add information time on eloquence synthesizer. Eloquence version 0.2025040.0.1 description. This is the eloquence synthesizer for NVDA offer. NVDA user language. https://bit.com/number42 equals eloquence threshold equal required NVDA version 0.0 as NVDA version tested 2034.1. Okay. Add installation time bar. Usually want to install this add-on. Only install add-ons from trusted sources. Add eloquence synthesizer 0.2025040.0.1 about add-on. Alt plus. Add information time on eloquence synthesizer. Eloquence version 0.2025040.0.1 description. This is the eloquence synthesizer for NVDA offer. NVDA user language. https://bit.com/number42 equals eloquence threshold equal required NVDA version 0.0 as NVDA version tested 2034.1. Okay. Right arrow. Left arrow. Up arrow. Down arrow.
12 hours 50 minutes.
An action unavailable while time off requires a response. Down arrow. Down arrow. Up arrow. An action unavailable while time off requires a response. NVDA. Down arrow. Down arrow. Up arrow.
রিস্টার্ট করে দেন বিডি.
Alt plus control plus N. Taskbar. Look at NVDA. Please wait. Welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to the tab. Use caps lock as an NVDA modifier. Key check Alt plus tab. Start NVDA. After I sign a check Alt plus a tab. Show this dialog with N tab. Okay. Number enter. Downloads window. Items view list. Yesterday group expanded. ETI elements. Run 9198. Number enter. Add installation time bar. Usually want to install this add-on. Only install add-ons from trusted sources. Add eloquence synthesizer 01. Number enter. Add installation time bar. You are about to install version 0.20250. Number enter. Downloads window. If restart NVDA dialog changes were made to add-ons, you must restart NVDA.
রিস্টার্ট করে দেবেন বিডি.
Musical keyboard. Welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to NVDA tab. Use caps lock as an NVDA tab. Start NVDA tab. Show is the tab. Okay. Number enter. Downloads window. Items view list. Yesterday group expanded. ETI elements. Run 9198.
And selection procedure on করব. Selection procedure. Inside control S. Inside control S.
Control plus select synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer. Up arrow. Microsoft CJVI version 5. Up arrow. Microsoft CJVI version. Up arrow. IBM PTS. Up arrow. ETI elements. Up arrow. ECNG. Down arrow. ETI elements.
আপনারাও স্ক্রিনে ডানো ইটিআই এলিগোয়ান্স এটা ইন্টার করে দিচ্ছে.
Downloads window. Items view list. Yesterday group expanded. ETI elements. Run 9198.
প্রোভাইড করে দেওয়া প্রোভাইড করে দেবো
Yesterday, Windows
ডিসক্রিপশন
example. ETI
বক্সে
eloquence. 1, 9198.
এই সফটওয়্যার লিঙ্ক ওটা প্রত্যেকটা এনভিডির সাথে কাজ করবে।
Alt arrow keyboard. Alt plus F4. Alt plus F4.